Hi children, this is our grammar class. So today in our first lesson in our grammar is parts of speech. So children, what is mean of parts of speech? What is mean of parts of speech? Words in English are of 8 kinds. They are called parts of speech. So, words in English are of 8 kinds. They are called as parts of speech. How many parts of speech you have, children? Say me. In previous class you have learned how many parts of speech? Few you have learned, I think. So, we have totally 8 parts of speech. 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Name them now. How many you know? Name them. First one is noun. First one is noun. What is meaning of noun? A noun is a name of a person. So these are the parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In second class you have learned about noun, pronoun, verb and adverb, right? So in third class now you're gonna learn adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So what is mean by noun? A noun is the name of a person, an animal or a thing. For example, boy, girl, Kaushal, Kriti, lion, chair, TV, computer, etc. What it mean by noun? Name, place, animal, thing. For example, it's a Kriti name, your name, animal name, anything name, TV or mobile, etc. So it's called as a noun. So what is mean next? Pronoun. A pronoun is a verb used in place of noun. A pronoun is used in the place of noun. For example, I, me, mine, you, we, he, she, it, etc. A pronoun is used in place of noun. For example, now in noun we are writing name, animal, thing, name. So in pronoun we will replacing the noun. For example, he, she, I, mine, etc. Okay children. Now adjective. Adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies or describes a noun or pronoun. It describes a noun and pronoun. So, for example, good, bad, happy, sad, beautiful, bright, green, hot, soft. Whichever we are describing the word, it's called as an adjective. For example, if you're feeling good, if you're feeling bad, we are expressing, right? We are expressing and we are describing our feelings. So, it's called as adjective. So, here I am writing some examples. Now, fourth one is verb. A verb is doing verb or being verb. Verb is a doing. It's come under the doing verb. So, for example, what you are doing in action words. In action words also we can call as verb. For example, write, run, go. So these are the examples what you are doing in an action. So it's called as a verb. Now fifth one is adverb. A verb, the words which tell something more about verbs, adjective or adverbs are called adverbs. For example, well, sweetly, brightly, happily, gracefully, etc. Something they are saying about verbs, adjective and adverbs. It's called as a adverb. For example, happily, brightly, etc. Okay, children. Now, sixth one, preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun and pronoun in a sentence to show its relationship to something else in the sentence. So, preposition is used in the noun and pronoun to make a sentence. So, what words we will use to make a sentence? On, in, from, inside. These words we use in making the sentence. Right, children? These words we'll use in making the sentence. So it's called as the words which used to make sentence is called as a preposition. Next, seventh one, conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join two words or sentences together. The words which join two words or two sentences, it's called as a conjunction. For example, and, but, because. These words are used to make two words or two sentences, right, children? And, but, and because. So if the two words or two sentences are joined together is called as a conjunction. And next, last one, interjunction. An interjunction is a word that expresses sudden feeling of mind. A sudden feeling, a sudden expression of yours. What will come, what by seeing anything we will be surprised suddenly. So what we will express our feelings. Oh, hooray, like that. So that words are called as interjunction, a sudden expression. For example, hooray, oh, like that. Okay, children. So these are the 8 parts of speech. I hope you know. Now, after parts of speech, we learn about articles. What are articles, children? Say me, what are the articles? A, an, and the. These 3 are called as articles. They are special kind of adjectives also. We can call them as an adjectives also. They are all used with common nouns. Usually a and an are used with singular nouns. Only the is used with plural nouns. The is used for a particular person or object. So a and an we will use in a singular noun. A table, an apple, like that. With singular nouns we will use. So the, coming to the, we will use in a plural. The tables, the apples, like that. Okay, children. Now, the a toy means any one toy, while the toy means that definite. For example, here I am writing a table. An apple. So these are the singular nouns, right? These are the singular nouns, not plural one. So while writing plural ones, the tables, we are writing the tables, the apples. So these are the articles and we call as an adjectives also. So these are the some sentences in which we can find different parts of speech. Here, see children, dogs bark at strangers. you have to mention the parts of speech. What is the dogs? What is bark? So I'm writing here. You just copy down. Dogs means what? What, children? Dogs means it's a noun. Dogs means it's a noun. It's an animal, right? So coming to bark. Bark. Dog is doing an action. Dog is doing an action. Action words means what, ma? It's a verb. Bark means verb. Now coming to at. At means what? At means the word is used to noun and pronoun. So at means preposition. At means preposition. And coming to stranger. Stranger also stranger is also a noun. It is also a person name, right? So coming to second sentence. Cats run after rats. Cats run after rats. So cat means what? Animal. Animal means noun. So run means it's an action word. Say what is the meaning of run? First also bark means what we have wrote here? Verb. So run is also an action word. Next. After. After means the word is used in noun and pronoun. It's a preposition. It's a preposition. And coming to rat. Rat's also an animal, right? So for rats also we will write noun. And now 2 sentences we have finished. Now we'll go to the third one. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. So what is the he, ma? It is a noun or pronoun? He is, say me. He is a pronoun. It is replaced in noun. Okay, children. Now, is also. What is the meaning? What is the is? Is parts of speech what? It is also an action one. So, is also a verb. And coming to next. Best. Best means what, ma? The word telling more. The word telling more about the sentence. Adjective. It's an adjective. And coming to friend. Friend means it's a noun. Okay, children. So these are some sentences I have written on the board. You can write remaining in page number 7 in your grammar book. This will be your homework. Okay, children.